What's up, guys? Okay, well, we're in Wisconsin today, and this is coming from Code Blue Cam. Backup officer accidentally runs over a cop and the suspect, so they have the wrong guy detained. They don't care because they think they're never wrong, and it's going to go downhill pretty quickly. And then they're going to blame the guy, of course, because it's everybody's fault but their own. Also, I'd like to note, like 90% of people watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button, we'll move along. Now, this video is 14 minutes and 43 seconds long. I'm not going to watch the whole thing, because for several minutes right through there, it's just this guy asking if he's going to die. I don't think we need to watch 5 minutes of that. So, anyway, they were with Austin in Wisconsin. Here we go.
Alright. What's your name, partner?
AJ.
AJ?
Sorry, I can't see it all. My bad.
No, you're not AJ. You're Jacob.
My name is AJ Austin.
Austin what?
Can you please let me keep my arm go?
Stop.
Ow, ow.
I'm not going to ask you again.
Okay, I know I'm not doing nothing. Please let me go, though. Please let me go.
On a September night, an officer spots a man who looks like a wanted suspect, but it's the wrong guy. When backup arrives, the mix-up snowballs into an even bigger mess.
Relax.
What's your name?
My knee. This is my leg.
98, can we get medical emergency?
Am I the only one who got ran over? I can't believe you ran me over. Let's get ran over by the police.
Well, you wouldn't have been laying around like that.
Laying around.
Leaving the cops always make a bad situation worse.
I was being attacked by a police house. Save me. Let's get an ambulance. Call an ambulance, please.
On the evening of September 13th, 2024, around 8:06 p.m., a La Crosse police officer spots a man matching the description of someone named Jacob, a suspect they'd been searching for earlier that day. As the officer approaches him, things start going sideways almost immediately.
Just looking for somebody.
Oh, man.
What's your name, partner?
AJ.
AJ?
Sorry, I can't see it all. My bad.
No, you're not AJ. You're Jacob.
No, I'm not Jacob. I'm not Jacob.
Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't, actually. Nope.
Yeah, let's walk over here.
Yesterday.
96.
Jacob, though, is that
I'll
sounds
be out
like
with party at...
that sounds like something
by
that's made
Trade
up.
Park.
This is made up.
Let's walk over here.
Jacob,
quick.
are you talking about Jake?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not him. Carter's his brother.
Yeah, let's walk over here quick.
6'1". 6'1".
Walk over here quick.
Do you know his credentials, dude? I don't want. I gotta go. Like someone's
No,
waiting on
I
me.
got to talk to you right now.
My friend's waiting on me, though.
I'm going to ask you to stop. We're going to walk
This
over.
is tiring. Okay, whatever.
96. Go ahead, hang on me a second, please.
What the?
Do you have anything with your name on it?
No, I don't right now. No, but I'm not
Okay.
Jacob. Jacob is 6'1", dude. Almost any cop knows me. You got
Let's
blue
walk
eyes.
let's
I have
walk
brown
over.
eyes. Look, I got brown eyes.
I got you. Let's walk over here. Let me check.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna grab my stuff. I don't.
Nope. We'll just leave it right there. Nobody will touch it.
No, I don't want to do that.
Stop.
Wait,
I'm
what am I
asking you.
doing?
I have a
Okay.
legal right to stop you.
Okay, but for
I believe
what?
that
For what?
you have a warrant. I believe
For
that
what?
you're Jacob. Stop.
I'm not Jacob.
I'm asking
No,
you to
wait,
stop.
please don't arrest me. I'm just
Stop.
sitting in my bag now. Okay. Oh, please don't arrest me.
Let's
no.
walk over
Okay,
here.
okay. Hey, can I just grab something?
No,
I'm trying to
put
grab
your
my
hands behind
leg.
your back.
No.
Put your hands
sir,
behind
sir,
your
sir,
back.
I'm walking.
Stop.
I'm walking with you.
Stop.
I'm walking.
Stop.
Sir, I'm walking. I'm walking with you. Please
I'm
let go of my
asking.
arm.
I'm asking
Please
you
let go of my arm.
now.
This is embarrassing. Okay, I promise I'm not Jacob, but can you please let me go?
Okay. Right now, I'm going to put you.
No, please
Put
don't.
your hands behind
Please
your
let me
back.
go. Ah.
Put your hands
Come on,
behind your back.
I got this
Stop.
in my hand. Please stop.
Let's
Hey,
walk over.
I'm walking. Dude, I'm being an adult. Can I walk? I'm not going nowhere. Hey, I'm not going with my stuff. So there. Please don't arrest me. Please. There's no reason for
Stop.
it.
What is your name?
My name is AJ Austin.
Austin
Can
what?
you please let me keep
It
it?
doesn't matter what he tells him, the cop's not going to believe him until he says the name that the cop thinks he is, and he is not.
I'm go.
Stop.
Ow.
I'm not going to ask you again.
Okay, I know I'm not doing nothing. Please let me go, though. Please let me go. Please let go of my arm. I'm not doing nothing wrong to you.
I need a name.
Okay, it's Austin. I told you.
Austin,
that.
what's your last name?
Can you please let go of my arm? You're twisting. You're bending it.
I'm going to tell you to put your...
I didn't do nothing
Put your
wrong.
hands...
Ow.
Stop.
But here's the catch. This man isn't Jacob at all. He's 27-year-old Austin, and it's only a matter of time before the officer finds out, in one of the most painful ways possible, just how wrong he is.
I'm not doing nothing. What am I doing?
Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
What am I doing? No,
Put
what
your
am I doing?
hands behind your back.
Stop. Sir.
Stop.
Sir, please let go. Please let go of me, sir. Please let go of me, sir. Please let go of me. Please. Ow. No.
What is your name?
My name's Austin.
What's your
Please
last
get off me. I'm calling the cops. Please call the police. I need to call the police.
I am the cop.
I want to call the cops. Please let go of me. Please.
96, what was that?
What am I doing? Stop. I didn't. Ow. Please let go of me. You're doing something. Austin, I told you.
Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Ow. That's
Put
Austin.
your hands behind your back.
Oh, you're going. I'm not doing nothing.
On your face.
Ow, please. Oh, no. Stop, please.
On your face.
Help, please.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
I'm going to cook you up on one step.
Dude.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please.
Behind your back.
I'm not doing it.
Put your hand behind your back.
please stop, dude.
I don't have you. I'm not
You think
choking
I'm
you.
Jacob?
Put your other hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind your other arm. Give me your other arm. I'm not choking. Put your other hand behind your back.
No.
Put your other hand. Put your other hand. Nobody's got you. Put your hand. Pull him back.
Anyway, they're gonna tell you that a good Samaritan showed up and helped the cop. No, it's a bootlicker. Anyway, try to get him in custody. Try to get him in custody. Try to get him in custody. Try to get him in custody forever.
Hey, stop squeezing. Hey, sir, can I sit up and let you rest me?
No.
Guess what? Because there's some idiots banned.
The officer was still working to get Austin detained when backup showed up, but in the poor lighting and the awkward angle of the struggle, the responding officer
Responding officers should have stopped before they made the turn, particularly when you don't see anybody there.
didn't see what was happening on the ground and accidentally drove into the entryway, running over both Austin and the first officer.
Back up! Ow! What the?
I got him.
Hey, don't hurt me.
Get out!
And they're still manhandling him. He has been run over by a dumbass cop, and they're still manhandling him.
Die.
Stop!
Stop.
Stop!
Am I gonna die?
No! Push it!
You need to relax. You need to relax right
You
now.
need to
I
relax.
die.
No, relax.
They threw him on the ground. Somebody that they weren't even looking for. Another cop ran over him, but you need to relax.
My knee! It's my...
Nadia, can we get medical emergency?
Am I the only one who got ran over?
Pull your arms behind your back! Put your arms behind your back!
I got him laying.
Oh, please help me. Save me. No, don't hurt my leg. I can't feel nothing. Please. Please don't kill me. Please do not kill me. Oh my God, my leg's bending. They just ran me over. I'm gonna
It's
die.
a bone exposed.
Please let go of me.
Yes, his bone is exposed.
Guys, the people ran me over. I got ran over by the police.
Also, take them fucking tourniquets away from the idiots. Once you put it on, you don't take it off. You don't adjust it. You don't know. If you don't know what you're doing, leave it to somebody that does. You don't. This is incorrect.
You wouldn't have been laying around like that.
If he wouldn't have been laying around like that, he throws him to the ground. He gets run over, but it's his fault. He's laying around.
Around it. I was being attacked like that. Please help save me. Let's get an ambulance here. Call an ambulance, please. Please.
I know he didn't just say if he wouldn't have been laying around, he wouldn't have got run over.
Guys, I need some water. I'm not gonna make it.
Keep your hands behind.
And that sounds like more cop cars coming. I don't know why it takes so long for EMS to show up.
I'm sorry. Okay, I didn't do anything wrong.
You're under arrest.
This is gonna be all my fault too. Ow! Ow! Minister! Ow! Ow! Please! Ow!
Anyway, he's gonna ask 400 times if he's gonna die.
Even through the pain, the first officer pushes on, trying to explain the situation to the backup officers so they can get a handle on what just happened.
Be honest. Can I have water, please? Stop listening. No! Is it
Got
in there?
ran over by a car.
No! Ow! I'm not resisting. I'm not Jake.
We both did.
How bad is it? My leg's hanging there. Get me in my car.
What you got?
Oh, I can't feel any of my leg.
My knees.
No!
I thought it was Jacob.
Please stop shaking my leg. Ow!
Tried to walk over and identify him and start fighting with
I
us.
need water. I haven't took anything today. No, I don't want surgery, dude. I was Jake. I'm not Jake. I don't want to die. I don't know what's happened, but I can't feel myself. But you're gonna. I'm in a lot of pain. Hey, sir. Early. Thank you for helping. Thank you for being a good citizen. Please be honest.
I can't feel my hands.
Hey, Hurley, please be honest. Dude, I was Jake. They asked me about Jake. No, I don't have an idea right now. Please don't move me.
Deep breaths, holding your breath. It's going to make the pain worse. I know that sounds ridiculous.
Oh my God, I'm going to jail now. I'm going to jail.
Don't try and stand.
Are you okay?
Okay? You don't know what's going on in there. You can make it worse.
Close, you do this one close.
Don't know what's going on. Well, they got fucking run over, and the ambulance isn't there yet.
What happened, man? I hope you're okay. Officer, I hope you're okay. I hope you're okay. That's my girlfriend.
Yeah, that's his.
Travis,
That's all their stuff.
And he's telling the cop, I hope you're okay.
He needs his stuff. He needs his belongings. Ow! Why isn't there an ambulance here? What the?
Right.
What day? Officer, you okay? Officer, are you okay? Did you get hit or no? Did you get hit or no? Sir, did you get ran over too? Please, guys. stand up. What did I do? Until we know what's...
I saw a guy. We were looking for Jacob earlier. He was standing there messing with a bike. I got out here, called an outward party, walked up to him. And he looks like Jacob. So I was like, hey, what's your name? He's like, no, it's AJ. I said, do you have an ID? He said, no. So he starts walking this way. I said, I need you to walk over to my car.
Are you okay?
I'm fine right now.
It sounds like he might have got hit by a car. Can you check his ankle? It's not the greatest.
So I thought it was Jacob. Believed it to be Jacob because he was on a bike, he had a white shirt on earlier. He was calling it out. So I grabbed him by the arm and we start walking this way. He wants to go back towards the bike. I said, no, we're not doing that. I need you to come over to my car so I can identify you. With warrants on Jacob.
Anyway,
He says, no, my name is Austin. So what should I say?
Keep telling the story.
As they moved to confirm his identity and search through his...
Nothing right now. I'll keep you.
Earlier that day, officers reported that Jacob, the suspect they were looking for, was last seen in a white shirt riding a bike, a description that closely resembled Austin's. Now, as they moved to confirm his identity and search through his belongings, officers make an unexpected discovery.
Officer's right there. Officer's injured, and then we have a severe injury to the suspect. Severe injury to the suspect is compound green fracture in the... I'm just trying to find an ID on this guy.
Okay. None of this stuff has been searched?
I didn't go through that. It looks
Okay.
like all female belongings in there. There's a bunch of needles in here. Tie-offs, needles. No meth in here, but he had meth on him, I guess.
Inside Austin's backpack, officers find a small black scale, a broken meth pipe with crystallized residue, some prescription antibiotics, and a loaded needle with meth tucked inside his wallet. But even with all this, Austin insists he is not Jacob and tells one of the officers assisting him in the ambulance his full name. It's here that his chaotic night finally starts to wind down.
It's from the black backpack.
I saw his face.
Yep, I'm working on it.
I looked at his face.
That is not him. 45 to 58. It's not him. This guy was right here. This guy.
Yeah.
So then, wasn't all the crap they found before the poisonous tree? I'm just throwing it out there.
He's lighter build.
This guy had red hair and was slender build.
Yeah, that looks like.
Yeah, that's him.
Okay. Is he added?
He's got shorter hair now, but.
Yeah, that's 100% him. I was up close and personal.
Yeah.
Very nice.
45. I added the suspect, Austin.
Austin did have an outstanding warrant against him and was taken into custody from Gunderson Hospital 2 days later on September 15th. Ultimately, Austin was charged with misdemeanor, resisting obstructing an officer, disorderly conduct, possession of drug paraphernalia, and bail jumping. He was soon released on a $1,000 signature bond. On January 3rd, 2025, Austin filed a claim with the city of La Crosse regarding this accident, and as of August 14th, 2025, the city has approved a settlement of up to $144,000. But while Austin might be cashing checks, 68% of people...
Anyway. Oh, yes. Austin's getting a payday.
...outstanding warrant against him and was taken into custody from Gunderson Hospital 2 days later. January 3rd, 2025, Austin filed a claim with the city of La Crosse regarding this accident, and as of August 14th, 2025, the city has approved a settlement of up to
$144,000. We're going to check the comments just for a second. This channel has made it abundantly clear Wisconsin is nuts. Yes. It's crazy that the officer walked up to AJ, said Jacob, and AJ immediately knew which Jacob the cop should be looking for. Where's the idiot that ran them over? Well, if you wouldn't have been laying around the fuck. I know, that's what I said. If you would have been laying around, you threw me. You threw me while I was laying. Get slammed on the floor, gets run over. You need to relax, man. What? Yes. Officer, I hope you're okay. Damn, they really did run over probably the nicest tweaker in the whole state. LOL. The meth dealers in La Crosse are about to have a good week when Austin gets that check. Yes. I think the scientific term for this situation is cluster. Yep. Yes, I think you're completely right about that. Anyway, that's where we're at with this one. 144,000. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, like 90% of people watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button and we'll move along. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'm out.